Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Garmin detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have the Garmin Connect app installed on your smartphone. Open the Garmin Connect app and log in to your account. If you don't have an account, select the option to create one and follow the prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the menu bar located at the top left corner of the screen. Select the More option from the menu for additional features. Scroll down and tap on Finance to access financial tracking features. Here, you will see various options for budgeting and financial management. Choose Budgeting to start setting up your budget. Begin by selecting your income sources. Enter your monthly income amounts for a clear overview of your finances. Next, move to the Expenses section to categorize your spending. Include fixed expenses like rent, utilities, and subscriptions. Add variable expenses such as groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Make sure to estimate your spending accurately to form a realistic budget. After inputting all necessary data, review your figures for accuracy. Once you're satisfied, save the budget for future reference. To track your progress, revisit the Finance section regularly. Observe how your spending aligns with your preset budget categories. Adjust your budget as needed based on changes in income or expenses. Utilize the insights provided by Garmin to make informed financial decisions. Regularly check for updates on your financial goals within the app. This way, you can maintain a clear perspective on your financial health. With Garmin, budgeting becomes an organized and straightforward task. Utilize these features to enhance your financial management experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.